What is a 3D line? Whether you need good help, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data wizard, Tuto4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. First I say, welcome everyone waving hand. In this video, we're going to answer a very simple but important question. What is a 3D line? Many learners get confused when they first see 3D graphs. So today, I'll explain it in a very easy way, step by step. A 3D line is simply a line drawn in 3 dimensions. Instead of just x and y, we now have x, y, and z. That means the line isn't only moving left and right or up and down, it also has depth. Think of it as a path or curve floating inside a 3D space. Let's take an example. Suppose we have data for time, speed, and altitude of an airplane. On the x-axis, we put time. On the y-axis, we put speed. On the z-axis, we put altitude. When we connect these values together, the line shows how the airplane moves through time, changing both speed and height. That's a 3D line, a story told across 3 directions. 3D lines are used to show trajectories, paths, and patterns that can't be explained in flat 2D graphs. For example, in science, to show a particle's motion. In business, to show growth across 3 factors. In research, to explain how one variable changes in relation to 2 others. And before we move forward, let me tell you something important. If you want more guidance in research writing, tutoring, or data analysis, don't struggle alone. At tuto4u.com, you'll find professional writers, expert tutors, and skilled data analysts who are ready to help you step by step. Whether it's learning concepts like 3D lines, building visualizations, or preparing your reports, Tuto4U is your trusted learning partner. Now, when you show a 3D line in your graph, you can make it more attractive and unique by choosing a bold color so the line stands out against the background, adjusting the viewing angle so the audience sees the depth clearly, adding points or markers along the line to make the data easier to follow, giving a clear title and label so anyone can quickly understand what they're looking at. So, that's what a 3D line really is. It's a line that connects data in 3 dimensions and shows change in x, y, and z together. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe bell, and share with friends who love data visualization. And for deeper learning and expert help, visit backhand index pointing right in tuto4u.com, your hub for writers, tutors, and data analysts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.